Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to see your Apple Pay routing number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Once you're inside, tap on Apple Cash. If you don't see Apple Cash there, make sure it's enabled in your wallet settings before continuing. Now, after opening Apple Cash, make sure to set it up. Then, tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your screen to access more options. From there, go into Account Details. At this point, scroll down until you find Routing and Account Number option. Here, you will see both your routing number and your account number clearly displayed. It's important to know that these banking details are provided through Green Dot Bank, which powers Apple Cash services. These numbers are mainly used for things like direct deposits and ACH transfers. However, keep in mind that Apple Pay is not a full traditional bank, so some features might be limited depending on your region. And that's it! So that's basically how you can see your Apple Pay routing number. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!